Hello, thank you for watching our filter extraction video. This video is brought to you by Li Qian, Rongjie, Maggie, Daniel, Yawei, Chaiyong. Today we will be showing you how a filter can be extracted and prepared for testing. The following is the equipment needed: waving balance, ultrasonicator, denuders, filter pads, beakers, conical flasks, pipettes, vials, aluminium flow, forceps, syringe filters, storage container, and sampling filters. While conducting our experiment, remember that safety is of the utmost importance. We wouldn't want any accidents happening in the laboratory. There are a couple of safety tips to ensure your protection. If you are not wearing glasses, be sure to put on protective eyewear. Remember to put on your lab coat in case of any unfortunate splits. Wear pants that cover your legs for where the lab coat doesn't. Remember always to put on appropriate footwear. Last but not least, be aware of the dangers in the laboratory and what you can do to reduce the risk by reading the risk assessment form. Now, let's look at the experimental procedure for filter extraction after the field sampling. First, we have to disassemble the filters from the sampling system. To obtain PM2.5, we weigh the filter in a relative humidity-controlled chamber and compare the value with the weight of the filter before particulate sampling. Next, place the filter sample and the black filters in individual clean glass beakers. Add 20 ml of ultra-pure water by measuring with a marked flask. This is the procedure for the Teflon filter. For the nylon filter, remember to use sodium carbonate solution instead of ultra-pure water. After this, we place the prepared beakers in an ultrasonicator bath for 30 minutes. At this step, it is important not to place too much water in the bath in order to avoid spillage. If you find any debris after the ultrasonicator extraction, filter the extracts using a syringe filter and transfer the contents to a cleaned vial. Prior to filtering the extracts, remember to rinse the syringe filters with ultra-pure water for at least 5 times. This is to ensure that there is no contamination. It is also useful to label the vials with clear information such as sample type, date of extraction, or location. We then insert 2 ml of each extract sample into ion chromatography auto-sample vials. After this, we add 3 milliliters of ultra-pure water before placing vials in the machine to begin the analysis. Lastly, we set up the ion chromatography auto-sampler and wait for the result. Easily done, isn't it? Once you have completed the experiment, do not forget to clean up after yourself. Wash the equipment with soap and rinse with water. Then use ultra-pure water on it for at least 5 times. Let the equipment out to dry and make sure your workplace is tidy. You can now go home and start working on your lab report.